guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me Palak and I have tried something new. Actually, to be honest, I want to share something. Why are you staring at me like that? मैं नहीं बोल पा रही. Cut. मुझे शादी करनी है.
अभी भाई क्या?
What is wrong?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, action!
My God, this is all crazy.
Cut! Continue. 1, 2, 3, action!
So,
आप लोग जल्दी करो.
hey guys, welcome back to my Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me Parag. So recently I have tried something very new, like new for me. So I am planning to publish a book of poems. To be honest, I've heard many people saying poem and some of them say poem. But in school I have learned saying poem, so I'm gonna say that. I don't know which one is correct anyways. Like, write 21 poems because it was a challenge of 21 poems, but I have written 41. So, and I have got it all corrected grammatically. Shishti and Lakshmi, I'm so grateful to have you people in my life. Thank you so much for being there and helping me and like motivating me to like write it. I'm genuinely very happy. Now Gaurav and Anurag are also gonna help me to like post them. And to be honest, I've shared all the lessons that I have been through in life. So I hope that you people like the book, and I'm gonna post this vlog like really late because I want the book to be like published, and when it comes to me, that is when I'm gonna like edit and all and then post it. So do go and get my book, buy it and read it and let me know if you liked it and then tag me on Instagram.
रिकॉर्ड हो गया इधर. मेरे पास रिकॉर्ड हो गया फिर.
डेडिकेशन को ठीक है, मैंने जितने पोम्स लिखे थे ना, क्या बोल रही हूँ, माई सीक्रेट हीरो, who I am, hope is my only option. Now what I feel is that while I figure this thing out, first wala should be which. And see, मेरे को क्या लगता है, goodbyes are just by words. ये आखिरी होना चाहिए, because it has the title goodbye in it. हाँ रुक, अभी मस्ती नहीं करना क्योंकि अभी मेरी एक भी गलती हुई ना मैं प्रॉब्लम में आऊँगी. It is 12:25 and Lakshmi and Shrishti, I think वो दोनों सो चुके हैं and Anurag had gone home around 11 or 10:30. I don't remember the exact time, but वो काफ़ी जल्दी चले गया था. Gaurav was also very exhausted. He has slept. I am, I think, alone awake, and most of the writing work and the grammatical checking stuff has been completed, but I still have a lot of work pending. I don't know how I'm going to complete it. I have mild headache. बीच में दुख रहा है सर, बीच में it's not paining because I was unwell, and I have corrected the order. It took me a good amount of time. I have to write dedication, preface and acknowledgement and then correct it grammatically through an app because my grammar is like really bad. Please don't judge me for that. And you know, to be honest, I just want to share my journey has been like so like sorry, मैं थोड़ा टेढ़ा बोल रही थी इधर देख के, just I'm so sorry for that. You know, like my journey has been very, I don't know what to say, to all the experiences of my life, all the lessons that I've learned. It takes a lot of guts to like write it all down and like put it in a book or make it public. Though some things are very basic for people, like they might say like, oh, this is nothing, we all go through this. Yeah, I do get it that we all go through this, but like expressing feelings and then sharing what you exactly are going through and like keeping all the things like public or like telling it to people like in a book, you are getting what I'm trying to tell you, right? So this means a lot to me. Like I tell things to people but not to everybody. I keep it like to person who tell like everything to everybody. Though I talk a lot, like genuinely I can yap for hours, but I'll not exactly tell what is in my heart. I'll keep that to myself. Like very less people know what I've been through and what I've gone through, and like I am I might talk a lot to a lot of people, and they might think that, oh, she's my friend, we are close, but that is because of my nature and my behavior. But I will never share what I am going through or what's in my heart, even though I'll be there for people. So very few people know what I have been through and all, and whatever I have learned, whatever I have felt, I always used to write it. So I have turned it into a poem, which I didn't even know that I was doing. But now that it has been turned, I'm going to like express it all in this book, and I really hope that you people like it. To be honest, you know, I had a time when I used to say that I'm going to turn the tables, and I always felt like, you know, like I want to turn my pain into my strength, because I had always learned that watching my mom, because she has been through a lot and I've learned a lot from my mama. And to always, you know, the lessons that I have been through, I can also say one thing, that my mom, my grandma, Shishti, Lakshmi, Anurag, Gaurav, um, I'm sorry if I've forgotten anyone's name, please mere pe chidna mat. These people have like really been there for me, and these people have like known me, like from all the phases, recent past years, what I've been through, and they have like tried their best to be there for me, and I'm so grateful to all of you for like doing that. Thank you so much, it really means a lot. And so I then decided, sorry, I, you know, मैं थोड़ा भटक गई थी, मैं क्या बोल रही थी इससे, because it is 12:30, but I have taken a little break, so I want to talk to you people. I have got a little tired, so I've taken a break, so I think like talking to you people will make me feel better. So if the video is little long, please listen to me and don't ignore it, because I feel like talking right now. And you know, you might feel कि कितना बोल रही है, ऐसा क्या है वैसा है, but it's like I'm sharing what I've been through, and I'm sharing like, please don't judge me for that, I'm just sharing my feelings, that after overcoming the fears, after overcoming the attachments, because मुझे ना normal हर रिश्ते से attachment हो जाती है, whether it is brother, sister, friends, or any relation, I get attached very easily, and मुझे फ़र्क पड़ता है. So yeah, that I'll turn my pain into, you know, my strength. And to be honest, what I realized was I turned my pain into something so creative, that my pain is gonna heal somebody. You know how? Because some of my poems are relatable, where it's little heartbroken, but some of my poems are inspiring, and those came out of the lessons that I've learned. So my pain, I turned it into a creativity, and that creativity is going to inspire somebody, and I hope it inspires somebody. And I feel so good right now. I'm kind of proud of me, though it's a little achievement for me, and I'm not bragging about it, to be honest. I'm just being honest with what I feel right now, and I'm so grateful to Radha Krishna for always like being there and like guiding me. Now I'm getting back to my work. My yapping session is like done, and I've said a lot. I hope you didn't skip the video. I need to like write dedication, preface, and acknowledgement first. The book's name is also, oh, I didn't tell you my book's name. 1 second. So my book's name is Me, My Feelings, and I. And the subtitle I've added Life Experiences, Lessons, and Motivation. Okay, so I have to write dedication. I'll catch you guys in a while. Guys, it is 1:30. I'm so tired. My head is paining. I have written acknowledgement. I have written dedication. I've got it corrected by the, but preface बचा हुआ है लिखना, and I am missing few people right now. I am very tired. I am tired. I'm not tired. I don't know what I'm saying. Also, it's 1:30. I just want to go and lay on my bed, drink milk first. I am so exhausted mentally right now. Like, I am exhausted physically also, but more mentally, because I'm not used to like work so much. And I feel this is better because मुझे कोई भी गलती नहीं करनी है. I really don't want to make any mistakes because I cannot undo it once I submit it. And I have time, so I'll do one thing. I'll go off to bed now, and I'll submit it in the morning. Try to write as much as more as I can, and that is the reason I took itna time. And then, you know, since few days I was feeling a lot of weakness and not feeling well, and I was trying to like push myself, but day before yesterday, like not day before yesterday, probably like yesterday, like on 27th, because अभी रात को date बदला है. So on 27th I was feeling a lot of weakness. I got fever. It was 101. मुझे थोड़े चक्कर वक्कर भी आए थे, but I didn't fall nor I fainted. But I was resting and taking care of me, so I didn't do any work on that day. So it got a little delayed. बहुत बोला है. Thank you so much if you have heard my talks till now. I'll be catching you guys tomorrow. This is the preview of how while flipping is going to look. ये अंदर के प्रश्न रुकने एक मिनट ऊपर name my feelings in our life experiences, lessons, motivation, पालक ठक्कर. Mom, it looks fine ना. और ये कहा इंडिया, यूएसए और यूके का कंपनी है, like 3 places it publishes. Go ahead. It looks so good, मम्मा.
बहुत सुंदर.
पता है मैं बुक स्टॉल्स में नहीं जाती हूँ जहाँ से बड़े बड़े ऑथर्स की बुक रहते हैं, उनका अंदर से सब इतना अच्छा होता है. आई कांट स्टिल बिलीव इट. लाइक नानी को भी भेजते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर सृष्टि करेगी और कोई नहीं करेगा. माई बुक हैज फाइनली कम. गाइस, आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड बिकॉज मेरी बुक अमेजोन पे आ चुकी है और अभी घर पे आ चुकी है. सो आई एम वेरी 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 एक्साइटेड. लेट्स गो एंड कलेक्ट माई बुक. Guys, this feeling is so crazy. I'm so happy right now. My first ever book. It's right in front of me in my hand. So guys, finally my book is available on Amazon. You can check this and go and order it. I'm adding the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.